Hey, what's up? It's JC with Offenhauser. I want to show you an old but new product that we've got organized. It's our oval air cleaner cover, and I'm going to show you what we got. We got one down here, but we've also got it here installed on this dual quad on a big block Chevrolet. And inside, what we have is our new oval air filter, which we had put together because we could not find this size. And no one manufactures this particular size any longer. So in order to sell the product, we had to make a filter. So we got two concentric rings with a filter element in between, oil resistant, fuel resistant filter. And then you've got a small throat, old school style base here. And we also have this product available with a larger base, carburetor base. So you can have either size carburetor, and on the top we've got the cover, which in this case we got the one with the name Offenhauser on there, and the large foundry type, and this comes with the polished knob, the race car knob, and that just goes on there to hold it all together. You get a rod too with this, so I know that was somebody was going to ask. But yes, you get the rod, you get the knob, the cover, the base, and the filter. We also have for sale on Offie Direct. All this is for sale on Offie Direct. And we also sell the filter elements. You get two filter elements, two stickers. So you can replace your filter element. These are also, you can wash these. They should last for a while, but it's all good to pull that out. Like a light Dawn detergent, dishwash detergent. These foams, two replacement foams, $35 on Offie Direct. And then if you already have an oval air cleaner like this, or if you have the Chrysler and you've been looking to figure out a filter solution, we're going to be selling the filter as well. And the filter with one foam and the two metal rings is $61. The rings, we also, when we got these fabricated here locally at a small metal fab shop, and then we took them to our plater. We plate a lot of linkage parts that we still manufacture. So we just sent these out to the plater, got them plated, and solved the problem not only with the carb base size, but also with the filter. So if you've got a dual quad setup and you're looking for something that's really old school, this was really popular, in the mid 50s into the 60s. We sold a lot of these as the carburetors changed over. We didn't modernize the base, and it kind of got pushed aside. So we were excited to get some of the older vintage products back up and in production. And in this case, we had one with the name on it and one without the name. So yeah, pick which one you think is going to look best on your hot rod. Check these out at offiedirect.com. Thank you.